Hey there, my name is Jason Dames. For some of you that don't know me, I wanted to make a little video. Some of you might be like me, you're a concerned citizen of the United States, you love this country, and you look at everything going on around you, it looks like things are going to heck in a handbasket. You look at like all the transgender stuff, the gas prices are going up, all this sensitive cancel culture things that are going on, and you're looking at everything, you're like, man, there's a lot of you out there that are probably like me, and you're thinking, I really want to do something, I just don't know what to do. So if that's you, you're not alone. I'm sure a lot of other Americans are like that. And I just wanted to share some information along with you and maybe to help empower you and other citizens of things that we can start to do. I've got a good buddy down in southern Missouri. His name's Tyler Schlosser. He's very active in government, education, and helping us understand the founding of our country, so that way we can know our Constitution better and then assert those rights. But anyways, he did a phenomenal video explaining some things that we can do on a local level to make a big difference. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the show notes below. But he's also talking about, and I've asked Tyler, like, dude, what are some actual action steps? What are some things that we can actually take a hold of and do? And he's like, man, I know there's other people putting together some programs. In particular, there's a guy that works in Congress in the legislative branch, I think. If I'm wrong, Tyler, correct me, but it's down in southern Missouri, his name's Daniel Horowitz. They're putting together a website that's, I think, gonna be available pretty soon, that you can type your zip code in and it'll populate a lot of the local representatives in your area. So people that you can actually write letters to or address or go to the school board, and people that you can actually go to make a difference. So I'm hoping some of that stuff's gonna be able to come out pretty soon. But guys, it's really, I think, gonna take us at grassroots level, us getting together, getting groups of people. Right now we're doing what's called a biblical citizenship class from David Barton. He's known as one of the premier historians of our time right now. They own over 100,000 different original documents from the founding era of the Constitution. And so it's something that, you can get your groups together and start educating people about our Constitution, because one of the things that the founders understood is that we need to be educated as citizens, and that's why it's a country for the people, by the people. If we don't know the Constitution, we're not going to be able to defend it, right? And so I'm in this myself. I'm included. I've neglected a lot of these things, but maybe we can start getting some of these groups of people. We're holding some group together every Wednesday night called Biblical Manhood, and it's a way to be able to inspire other men to be able to really make a difference and start taking actionable steps to know the Lord and follow after Him. But also we're doing this class, hopefully we'll do it every quarter. If you want to get involved with that, that'd be great too. And if not, that's okay as well. But guys, I just wanted to leave you with some encouraging thoughts. I think that we can make a difference, we can change some things around, but it's going to take an effort for us to do that. And hopefully this is encouraging. Maybe if you've got some other suggestions, feel free to put some comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear ways that we can make a difference. But with that said, guys, have a great day and God bless. Peace.